Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, today I am going to tell you about how to teach cursive writing to kindergarten. So watch the video till the end because in this video I am going to share with you 5 important tips on how to teach cursive writing to your kids as well as the process 5 steps in which you can teach cursive letters to your children. First, I would like to share with you the 5 important tips in teaching cursive letters to our children. Tip number 1, start with tracing. Tracing helps the child in getting good grip on the alphabets or letters. So initially when you give them tracing, you can little bit hold your child's hand till the time they feels confident. But yes, do not make it a habit that if you are holding then only they'll write. No. Now give them so much of tracing practice. You can get the tracing books for cursive writing out in the market, and I can also share you the link in my description box if you are willing. Let them trace as much as possible because tracing initially will give them confidence in learning the capital and small cursive letters. Tip number 2, teach lowercase first and then go to the uppercase letters. In cursive writing, since the child is already aware of freehand capital and small letters, it is important that you have to teach them lowercase letters first and then go to the uppercase, because the patterns used in cursive writing will make the kids feel familiar when they go with the small letters first. However, when they form sentences and all, most of the letters has to be in small cursive letters, so that is the reason it will be easy for them to understand and learn cursive letters first. Then you can go to the capital cursive letters. Tip number 3, categorize the alphabet. For example, we have different strokes for cursive letters also. I'll show it to you now. What are those? So you have to categorize alphabets with respect to the type of strokes we are using for the cursive letters. When you teach kids cursive writing by categorizing them, they will learn it quickly and easily. And the 4th tip is move according to the child's pace. Do not rush and teach them everything at one go. Make sure, see, some kids will learn things so quickly and some might take little bit more time to learn. So just understand your child's pace in writing the cursive letters, because if you force them to write, they may ultimately end up not showing any interest in learning cursive writing. So go with the pace of your child. Maybe you can take 2 letters a week and teach them. If they are learning quickly, then yes, you can increase it up to 3 letters, 4 letters, because believe me, just if you can teach 26 alphabet and that much is enough, they will learn cursive writing. So initially you should not be in a rush to teach everything at once. The 5th important tip is invest your time as well. You cannot just give them a book and ask them to write and come back show it to me. You have to sit with them when they are writing cursive letters initially, because you just have to observe the patterns they are making, because they cannot make a wrong pattern and form a same letter, right? So you should be aware of the pattern where the child is writing, because that will become a habit. If they are writing it in a wrong way, later you cannot come back and correct, right? So you should make sure kids are writing in a correct pattern, get it right the first time itself. So you have to invest your time also along with your child while teaching them cursive letters. Writing is learnt only by means of practice. So do not forget to practice each and every single day. At least 1 page cursive letter practice has to be given. Then only your child will learn writing in a very good handwriting. So you cannot expect your child to write once a week and excel in the cursive writing skill. You should practice as much as possible. Writing is not some hereditary that they will get good handwriting and all. Practice is the only means to learn handwriting perfectly and neatly. So now it is up to you how much time you are willing to spend with your child, sitting beside them, teaching them very good handwriting. That can be achieved only by practice. So these are the 5 very important tips you should follow when you are teaching cursive writing letters to your child. Now I will show you the process, like what are the 5 steps to teach cursive letters to your children. So let's start.
So the first step is to start with the cursive patterns. First, you should give lots and lots of tracing these cursive patterns to a child. Here is the first type of pattern we have. This is, you can see here, it is like a loop pattern which are there in the first 3 lines. Now here the same looped pattern but only in the middle 2 lines of a 4-ruled book. And the second pattern is like this, which doesn't have any loop. Again in the first 3 lines, then the same pattern in the middle 2 lines of a 4-ruled book. And the third pattern is here, which is a inverted loop, like this in the first 3 lines and again in the middle 2 lines of a 4-rule notebook. You can use a 4-rule notebook for making your child practice cursive letters. Here you can see a inverted line pattern again, which is in first 3 lines and also in the middle 2 lines. And the fifth pattern is here. As shown in the book. So give lots and lots of tracing practice to your child initially, but do not directly jump into teaching alphabet because they don't know how to write in a continuous process. So these will help a child to learn the continuous patterns of cursive alphabet, and after this is over, then you can start with the small case letter belonging to a particular family. So trace as much as possible till the child is familiar with these patterns shown above. Next comes different alphabet groups. This is how you have to teach them small case cursive letters. And the first type is clock climbers. The clock climbers are certain alphabets which has same pattern of writing. Like shown here, they are alphabet A, D, G, Q, and the second type of alphabets are kite string alphabet. So this group of alphabet has patterns like a kite string as shown here. They are alphabet I, U, W, T, J, P, R, S and O. And the third type of alphabet are loop group. So the loop group alphabet consists of letter H, K, B, F, L, E. And the fourth type, this is the last type of the alphabet, those are hills and valleys. They consist of alphabet M, N, V, X, Y and Z. So this finishes the different alphabet types. You have to teach kids only in these 4 types. First teach them clock climbers, give them lots and lots of practice. After they finish clock climbers, go to the kite strings. After they finish kite strings, go to the loop group. After they finish loop group, then go to the hills and valleys. This will finish all the 26 small case English cursive alphabet. Then now make the child write all the small alphabet together like this as shown here. After all the small case letters are over, now it is time to teach them the capital letters. So since they have a understanding of how cursive letters are formed, you can directly start teaching them capital alphabet A to Z. This is how the patterns has to be made. So keenly observe the start and end point of each and every single alphabet, and the child should write it only in the same way. After a child learns the capital cursive letters, now it is time for a child to blend different small case letters and write together the cursive words. So it is better to start with making them write the beginning sounds of English alphabet A to Z, as in A for ant, B for ball, cat, dog, egg, so on till letter Z. So you can give them as much as practice as possible, ask them to write different words and ask them to join cursive letters. In this way they will learn cursive letters quickly. After teaching them the cursive words, now it is time to teach the sentences. So first you should ask kids to write small sentences like this. This is a cat. Cat is fat. So you can ask them write small sentences like this as shown here. After writing the sentences, the last thing is to make them write a paragraph. Once the kids finishes writing sentences, then it is time to write a short paragraph. So you can give them a short paragraph and ask them to copy the same like this. My name is Nakshatra. I am 4 years old. It can be about anything like myself, my family, my school, my friends, my pets, any topic. You can take a short paragraph and a one-page paragraph in a 4-rule notebook and ask kids to write. So the ideal age to start writing or teaching cursive letter for a child is when they gets into UKG, that is senior KG. As soon as they finishes their junior KG, when they enter into UKG, you can start teaching them with the cursive patterns, then slowly the small case letters, then the uppercase letters, then the cursive words, then comes the cursive sentences, and finally the paragraphs. This is what a stage by stage learning procedure of cursive letters for any kindergarten student.
So I think this video is very helpful for you to teach cursive letters to your children, and we have made many such videos like this in our channel. So go back and check the title and see the most beautiful content uploaded on our channel. If you are coming to my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more videos like this.